Let's talk about the second principle, which is open and close. Now think about it. We have a requirement where we want to show, instead of user information, we want to categorize these user into three different roles. For example, admin, super admin, and the normal user. So what the rule says is, once your component is created, you should avoid making a direct change to the application. What does it mean is, you should extend it, but you should not add any code to it. So how can we do that? We should have it in two way. Basically, we'll create a super user .js, and we'll create another file name is admin user.js. If you look at this is little bit clumsy, and you'll see why we are keeping all the callings and all the API calls together, that we will see in the next point. But as of now, we are focusing about open and closed treatment, open and closed design principle. So as I said, once I have written the user.js, I'm not going to maintain, but this is not the perfect because I haven't applied it yet. It is under development. So as of now, I can make the changes. I'm talking about this principle when you have shipped your product and now you have been asked to add some more feature to current, current application or current software. So let's think about it. So now what I'm assuming is, my application has been shipped, it is well maintained as per the design principle. Now I have been asked to add new users type, which is admin user and super user. So what I'll do is, I'll just copy some part from here to those two files, and I'll call it as a super user, and I will call it name as a admin user. I'll fix the import. Okay, so now I'm not gonna to call this stuff now. We'll think about it later on. As of now, my requirement is to have some additional information from the user side to make it as a super user category, and similarly for the admin user category. So what I'll do is, I need to extend this behavior. So what I'll do is, I'll call my user component here and add few more information so that I can fulfill my requirement. I'm a super user. Let's same treatment I'm going to do with admin user. Now I'll go to the app.js. I'll call it user section. I can call it here as a super user if they want. Admin user. Super user. And where I have said, once my software is released, once my component is created, it is closed for modification, but it is still extensible for new feature requests, which I have done here. I haven't touched the user.js, but I have taken help of user.js to make new category as a super user and as a admin user. So this is the one way to achieve the second principle. The another way is, we can use the React composition. Then we can utilize this way and we can pass some data to the props and we can do that. But we have completed the second